Alright, we back with day 4, Just Do It. Felt like keeping it short today. So today's song of the day is Slide by M to the SO. It's just a real feel good song.
My team, we stay lit, we be outside with it. I just stay shining, grinding. Life lately has been on perfect timing. Late night city, go on a dash. Money talk, I don't speak on past. She wanna ride, I'm moving too fast. I've been this way.
Alright, so right into it. Today we got an iPhone 6S repaired. It's been forever since I've done one of these. It's so nostalgic doing one of these. So, iPhone 6S, pretty simple. Crack screen, 4 Phillips that come out, plate that come out, some protecting all the connectors, another plate on the home button come out, proximity sensor come out. They both get transferred to a new screen. And then it's just literally reverse at that point. It has 3 connectors. Screen, LCD, and then the proximity I see me putting in right now. But yeah, it's rare that I get to sit in a customer's house and do repairs. I like to fix my car, but this customer, we built a rapport over the years, so I didn't really mind sitting in their house. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link, whatever, in the description. And tap it if you're in the Philadelphia area.